Impress your guests with this easy cherry almond coffee cake recipe. Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delightful treat in store for you. We'll be showing you how to make a mouthwatering cherry almond coffee cake. Get ready to indulge in the perfect blend of cherries, almonds, and buttery goodness. So, let's get started. Ingredients. For the cake: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon almond extract, 1 cup sour cream. For the cherry filling: 2 cups fresh or frozen cherries, pitted and halved, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. For the streusel topping: 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, cold and cubed, 1/4 cup sliced almonds. For the glaze: 1 cup powdered sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons milk, 1/2 teaspoon almond extract. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch round cake pan. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the almond extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture, alternating with the sour cream. Begin and end with the dry ingredients, mixing well after each addition. In a separate bowl, combine the cherries, granulated sugar, cornstarch, and lemon juice for the filling. Toss until the cherries are well coated. Spread half of the cake batter evenly into the prepared pan. Top with the cherry filling, making sure to distribute it evenly. Spoon the remaining batter over the cherries and spread it carefully to cover the filling. In a small bowl, combine the flour, granulated sugar, and cold cubed butter for the streusel topping. Use your fingers or a pastry cutter to cut the butter into the dry ingredients until crumbly. Stir in the sliced almonds. Sprinkle the streusel topping evenly over the cake batter. Bake in the preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Remove the cake from the oven and let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. In a small bowl, whisk together the powdered sugar, milk, and almond extract until smooth. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled cake. Slice and serve the cherry almond coffee cake. Enjoy with a cup of coffee or tea. This recipe will delight your taste buds with the combination of juicy cherries, almond flavor, and a sweet streusel topping. Enjoy baking and savoring this delicious coffee cake. And there you have it, folks. Our delicious cherry almond coffee cake is ready to be devoured. The combination of sweet cherries, nutty almonds, and moist cake is truly a match made in dessert heaven. We hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we did. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delectable recipes. And as always, feel free to leave your comments and suggestions down below. We'd love to hear from you. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.